Good evening, good evening from wherever you are. This is Teacher Martin. Thank you for tuning in so that we may continue learning Kikuyu together. May God bless you for choosing to learn Kikuyu language with me. So I'm glad for you. Thank you for all those who have subscribed. Kindly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now before we start. Your subscription goes a long way in supporting the work we are doing in this channel. The purpose of this channel is to help you learn the Kikuyu language in a easy way, in a way that you can relate with it. I do not really follow like a certain curriculum, like the way books are written. I try to bring about topics that goes around what we do in our lives because I believe that that brings better interaction between you and the language. So may God bless you as you continue watching. Make sure that you leave your comment. Make sure that uh, you do like these videos. Do everything, even support financial if you can. I have shared my details there, how you can support the work that we are doing in this channel, so that we can even have better uh, computer, um, better equipment for shooting these videos, and so that we can even get the other materials that we need and bring people who can assist us learn the Kikuyu language together. Yes, so may God bless you so much. So for now, I just want to introduce a topic, some of the terms that we use around school. Okay, like if you are in a college, if you are in primary school, if you are in secondary school, some of the vocabularies that you use there, and then you have a few example of sentences. And I hope that this will assist you to communicate when you are in a setup of a school. So I appreciate you and kindly continue bringing your suggestions so that we can learn this great language together. So may God bless you, even as I get the material for today. Okay. Yes. So and I continue reminding you that if you want to have one-on-one classes with me, that is classes that are custom made for you to guide you through step by step in learning this great language. Kindly do not hesitate uh, reaching me by my number, which is +254 317 877. Yes, and I know that we can work together and I can assist you in learning this wonderful language. So for now, I'm going to share the content for today. And if you have any questions, if you have any recommendation, kindly leave them in the comment section. Okay. So for now, I'm downloading this material so that we can have it. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for those who are coming on live. Thank you. May God bless you. Those who have joined us, may God bless you. Make sure that you say that you are online. Let me see you saying you are online if you are with me here today. Okay. Yes. So, let me know. Okay. Yes. So, I'm going to share the lesson for today. Kindly follow up with me so that you can learn this great language today. So today we have said, so umuthi tuguthoma na twirute marĩtwa marĩa matũmĩkaga thukuru. Thukuru nĩ on. Let's continue. So we have some vocabularies that we use in the school setup. So maya nĩmo mamwe ma marĩa tũgũthoma ũmũthĩ. These are some of the things that we are going to learn today. Mũrutwo, student, pupil or learner. Mũrutani, teacher. Kĩrathi, class. Kĩrathi, class. Mathomo, studies. Arutwo, students, pupils or learners. arutani, teachers, irathi, classes. Okay, so for instance, the first question was asking, uthomagira thukuru ũrĩkũ? Uthomagira thukuru ũrĩkũ? So that means which school do you go, or where do you study? Yes, so we go to the next one. De mũrutwo, an example of using mũrutwo. De mũrutwo wa yunibacĩtĩ ya Nairobi. De mũrutwo wa yunibacĩtĩ ya Nairobi. I'm a student at University of Nairobi. De kĩrathi kĩa mbere, I'm in the first class. Those are some of the examples. So we go to the next for some of the vocabularies. The first vocabulary that we have is gũthoma. Gũthoma. Gũthoma means learning. Learning. Gũthoma. Gũthoma, learning or studying. Ifuku. Ifuku, book. Ifuku, book in plural is mafuku. We go to the next, to erase. To erase. We go to the next one. Mukebe. Mukebe, geometrical set. Kũhetũka. Nĩndĩrahetũkire igeranio. Kũhetũka, to pass exams. For example, mathandũkũ, boxes. For instance, boxed book. Ibuku rĩa mathandũkũ kana ibuku rĩa mathabu. Raba, eraser or ramba. Mbathi ya thukuru, school bus. Mbathi ya thukuru, school bus. Kũgũa, to fail. Nĩndĩragũire igerio. I failed my exams. We go to next. Kĩgerio. Kĩgerio, exam. Kĩgerio, exam. Kĩgerio, makwa, my papers. Ũgĩ. 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 It should not be knowledge, it should be wisdom. Ũmenyo, knowledge. Ũmenyo, knowledge. Kũmenya, to know. Kũmenya, to know. Marĩhi ma thukuru, school fees. Marĩhi ma thukuru, school fees. Igerio, exams. Mondo ya thukuru, mondo is a bag. Mondo ya thukuru, school bag. Ũrimũ, foolishness. Foolishness, lack of wisdom. It is the opposite of ũgĩ. Ũrimũ, foolishness. Ruler, just ruler. We go to the next one. We have some example in pictures. So we have blackboard. Blackboard. Body. Body. Yes. We have book and a pen. Ifuku na karamu. Book and pen. Oka na ifuku na karamu. Bring your book and pen. Mafuku. Mafuku, books. Mafuku ma, classroom. Kirathi, classroom. The clock or time. Clock or time. Gũcora, to paint or to draw. To paint or to draw. Although now to paint, you can be more specific and say kũhaka rangi kana gũcora na rangi. Okay. Gũtharia. Gũtharia, to erase. To erase. Gũthoma, to read. Gũthoma, to Read. We go on to the next one. We have the first one here. This is Igerio exams. Igerio ciakwa, my exams. Arutwo, students, learners, or pupils. Okay, those who participate in learning. Niĩ ndĩ mũrutwo, I am a learner, or I am a student, or I'm a pupil. Mũrutani, mũrutani, another name is mwalimu. Mũrutani or mwalimu, teacher. Okay. Kuandĩka, kuandĩka, to write, to write. Ndĩrandĩka marũa, I am writing a letter. Ndĩrandĩka email, I am writing an email. Ndĩrandĩka ibuku, I am writing a book. Mbathi ya thukuru, mbathi ya thukuru, school bus. Mbathi ya thukuru nĩ yakinya, the school bus has arrived. Mbathi ya thukuru nĩ yakinya, the school bus has arrived. So we go to the next one. Kũũria, 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 to ask, to ask. Ask a question. Ũria kĩũria. Gũcokia, to answer. Reke njokie, let me answer. Kwaria, kwaria, to speak or to talk. Aria rĩu, speak now, speak now. And that's what we had for today. If you want to reach to me, don't hesitate. These are my contacts here. You can write me an email on martinkarari@gmail.com, or contact me via WhatsApp, via phone call, via message through this number, +254 718 317 Start. Igere, ithano, inya, mugwanja, imwe, inyanya, ithatu, imwe, mugwanja, inyanya, mugwanja, mugwanja. May God bless you for attending today's classroom. Goodbye. See you in the next.